Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a quick installation of a KW compression bump adjustment knob that's actually missing on my KW V3 on my BMW 1M, and it's supposed to be right here, and for some odd reason it kind of fell off, and I don't know how it fell, but went ahead and called KW to order that part. So it only took a couple days for this part to arrive, and it's actually not cheap. It's about $22 for this part and this O-ring. It's actually made out of plastic. So the part number that was provided was 685-25011, just in case, you know, some of you guys out there actually have this knob missing. So you can actually order this part and order it directly from KW. So it cost $22 for this part. So essentially out the door is about $40. So it's really not that bad, but you know, I really thought it would have been a lot cheaper than that. So it's $40. Not too bad. Okay, with that, let's get ahead with the install. Okay, so if you look at the bottom of the shock, you'll see there's like a step groove right inside. So it's not really a flat, straight through for the where the O-ring will be sitting in. There's a little notch in there, just right in the center for it to sit in. And also, you know, here's the mark where, you know, it needs to be set to 0. And, you know, before you can even install it, just make sure that it's set to the compression is set to the lowest setting, to 0, before you can even start adjusting it or even installing it, because otherwise, you know, you want that 0 number, right, to align with that line right there. So just get that, make sure you 0 it in to the lowest compression. Okay, before we install it, let's go ahead and set it to the softest setting on the compression. So that way, you know, we can line up the 0 to the mark. And let me do it counterclockwise to the softest. Okay, that's it right there. So the groove on the O-ring has to be facing down. Can install like this, so that way that little notch right there, right in the center of the O-ring, will go right in there. It's like a slot. Okay, just keep pressing it. Make sure, there it is. It's in. It's in. So just make sure the plastic gasket, as you saw, that goes into the edges, and then start pushing it in. And then there you go. No longer moving. Let me see. There we go. Okay. Perfect. And still aligned to that line right there, 0 mark. It's on the softest setting at the moment. And that's how you install the compression bump knob, just in case yours kind of came off as well. Let's test it. Yeah. Yep. It works. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.